Hmm. Okay. So yesterday we discussed, right? We discussed yesterday. So load balancer and auto scaling concepts and dependency of launch template. Okay, we can start in 2 minutes, guys. Can you close that curtain? Thank you. Yeah, please. Okay, so let's start now. So yesterday we have configure. Sir, can you please recap app deploy once again? Okay, we can discuss so many times, no problem. For that, leave it for that. Okay, leave it for that, no problem. I will show you even though, no problem. So, okay, so our target group is ready, right? Our target group is ready. I need to configure to our ELB. And after that, I need to configure my auto scaling on top of that, right? So let's go to my instance. Let me start my instances first. Flipkart 1 and 2, right? Flipkart 1 and 2, yeah. Let me start this 2 instances. How to check the number of EC2s are part of the target group? Go to target group and check it only. Okay, my instances are running, right? So before that, instead of configure to my ELB, I'll just access my instance by using public API. My application is up and running or not. That is a best practice. Otherwise, you may confuse the issue with the load balancer if it is not accessed, right? So first we can verify the instance level if it is working or not. Okay, it is working. Let's go to second one also. Okay, it is also working. Both are working. Okay, both are working. Okay. Okay. So what I need to do first, I need to create target group, right? I need to create target group. Okay. Let me delete and recreate one more time. How to delete? Just delete here. Okay. Now go to target group. Excuse me. Tell me guys, what I need to do here. So you need to mention here your target group name. You can give any name, guys. So protocol is HTTP, right? We are accessing from the outside. So public can access from the outside. So they are need to use HTTP protocol to access or HTTPS, right? So which VPC it is? And my instances are running which VPC? I need to select first. My Flipkart 1, Flipkart 2 applications instance are running in go to VPC 02F97, right? So I need to select same VPC. Okay. Next. So here path is index.html. Your application is index.html path is running, right? Via index.html. That's what I'm giving here. And create. See, my case, I'm able to see running instances are only 2. So I can select these 2. No problem, right? If in your case 4, 5 are running, you need to select which instances are coming to the target group. This is just allocation of target group. Which instances? Yeah. Include as pending below and create target group. So my target group is created. So in my target group, 2 instances I have mapped. Okay. So if you can see, these are my total targets are 2, healthy 0, unhealthy 0, unused 2. Why unused? I haven't configured to my ELB. That's what unused. Okay. If I configure to my ELB, if I access through my ELB DNS name, it is changed to use and healthy. Anyway, target group is done, right? Let's check your architecture. So your target group is ready. Your instances are ready. Your AMI is ready. Your launch template is ready. So what are the pending here? ELB and auto scaling. So now I'm going to configure ELB. Yeah. So let's go to ELB configuration. This is very important step. Okay. Create load balancer. See which load balancer I need to choose now. Can't we take network? Hmm? Can't we take network load balancer? We can, but the problem is here. One thing we have a problem here. Oh, that is leave it. Very good. Protocol. Which protocol it is? TCP. But in your target group, HTTP. So it is not. Okay, let me try to create network load balance. You can give any name. Okay. So internet facing. Okay. Just select some 2. We can discuss what is this step. And if you can see here, you are unable to see your target group. Your target group, you have choose what? HTTP protocol. But HTTP protocol, it is not work. TCP only. See, no HTTP here. But your target group is selected in the HTTP protocol. That's what we are unable to configure network load balancer with your target group. Otherwise, in your target group, you need to change it into TCP protocol. Then it is going to create network load balance. In that case, application load balancer will not create. Is it clear? Yeah, very good. So, okay, let's create application load balancer. ALB, internet facing, VPC same. So what is this step? See guys, first of all, we need to understand two things here. Your ELB should be in the public or private? ELB. ELB should be in the public. If it is a private, public is unable to access, right or not? Your ELB should be public. At least 2 availability zones mandatory for your ELB. Okay. For example, if I choose custom VPC, I have created custom VPC, right? If you can see, I have created 2 subnets, right? At the time, custom network creation, one is public, one is private. Is it clear or not? If I choose these 2, for example, we are getting some error. The selected subnet does not have route to internet gateway. I mean, in my custom VPC, I have created 2 subnets. One is public, one is private. If I give private now, this means your load balancer will not receive internet traffic. Is it clear? If it is a private, how the public can access your ELB? Is it clear? Your ELB should be public, at least 2 availability zones. That is the main thing, main criteria. So if you can take a default action, default VPC, in the default VPC, we can see each availability zone one subnet, right? In that case, no problem, we can select. Otherwise, to perform this lab, what you need to do, if it is a custom network, you need to create total 3 subnets minimum or 2 subnets. Okay, the subnet should be in the each subnet in the each availability zone. For example, you have a 3 availability zones. You have to create 1A, 1B. For example, 1A, 1 public subnet, 1B, 1 public subnet. The requirement is for only load balancer. Is it clear? Okay. So I'm just changing to default VPC. Yeah. Yeah. So here one thing we need to understand. My instance running in which subnet? I need to check first. Okay. My instances are running 0F80. Okay. Before that, I can see that here availability zone 1D. And other also, I think 1D. Okay. See, my instances are running 1D availability zone. Okay. 1D availability zone. So, for example, if I select in my load balancer, except 1D, 1A, 1B, 1C, 1E, 1F. Your load balancer able to send traffic to all availability zones except 1D. Your instance are running in 1D. So you are unable to send the traffic. Is it clear? If I give access, this one also, you are able to send traffic all availability zones. See, here minimum requirement at least 2 availability zones. Maximum you can select all, no problem. So safe side we can select all. In the future, maybe you can create instance in this region, in this availability zone, right? Right or not? In the future, maybe you can create 1E availability zone, your instance. So better select all availability zones. For example, if I exclude this 1D, actual instances are running in the 1D. Now, if you create load balancer created. Okay. So I will explain load balancer further steps just for checking only availability zone level concept in the load balance. Again, we can discuss what are the points are there in the load balancer. To verify that only that point, I have given except 1D all availability zones. My instances are running in 1D availability zones. Okay. First of all, okay, let it be. Minimum 2 subnets we need to select. I mean, your instances running in private also no problem. Is it clear? But to serve the request from the public, your load balancer should be created. I mean, your load balancer should be there in at least 2 public subnets. I will show in the architecture, we'll get a clarity. Don't worry. For example, guys, meanwhile, it is taking time, right? Okay. Okay, it is a provisioning state, right? Let me show you here. One more architecture, we'll get it. Carefully observe here. Subnet 1, subnet 2, subnet 3, subnet 4, EC2, EC2 running. This 2 is public. Okay. This 2 is public. This 2 is private. Clear? Inside one VPC. Inside one VPC is running. 2 public subnets, 2 private subnet. In the private subnet, 2 instances are running. So here concept is your ELB should be at least 2 subnets. Okay. This 2 will work for whoever accessing public. Clear? To connect this one, it should be in the public. Clear? So public want to access your application, they can access only ELB URL, right? ELB should be public, right? How many subnets required? Minimum 2 subnets, public subnets. So it should be, okay. It should be 1A means this is 1B. Is it clear? It is not instance, guys. Subnet. Public subnet. Public subnet. 2 public subnets required. Okay. So users can directly hit this ELB. ELB there in public subnet. So they can able to access first. Sir, one is fine now. No. To provide high availability for ELB, they are giving information at least you should be there in 2 availability zones, 2 subnets. For that, make it ready 2 subnets. Next, in your target group instances, okay, in your target group instances, the first condition is it should be in the same VPC. Clear or not? It doesn't matter it is a private instance or public instances, your ELB will send traffic. How? If it is a private instances or public instances, no problem. Your ELB will send the traffic to your instances. How? Hmm? How? Understand it, guys. We can easily get it. In target group, if it is a public, if it is a private instance, no problem. Your ELB is able to send a traffic. Why? How ELB is able to send a traffic? If it is a public or private also. Hmm? Very good. Same network. See, bash and host, if you are entering to your public EC2 instance, your public EC2 instance able to communicate your private EC2 instance, right or not? See, already request, already ELB is there in your inside network, right? So there is no problem to send ELB to configure private EC2 or public EC2, right or not? For example, your ELB is here. Here matters will come. ELB will not send traffic to private instance directly. It is outside of the network. But the case is ELB is inside of the network. So it doesn't matter instance are private or public, ELB will send a traffic. Is it clear now? So completely your wish. Okay. Sir, I can create a private EC2 instance. Okay. I can configure my load balance. You can configure it. This topic is for understanding. If it is a public or private, completely your wish. Clear? But this is mandatory. To serve the request here to here, this is mandatory. Clear? Okay. Let's come now. My DNS ALB is created now. Okay. My ALB is created now. Just a minute. Hello? 11. Just the class now. Bye. Okay, guys. If you can see here, my DNS name is ready. My DNS name is ready. Click here. Access here. See, I'm unable to access my application. 503 server. Service temporarily unavailable. 5 series errors means server side errors. Okay. What was the issue? Any guess? Any guess? Any guess, guys? Sacred groups. Okay. So, Hanumant. Madhuri saying internet. I have Wi-Fi. Hanuman saying sacred group. Oh, Shravan is right. Anyway, let's go and check my ELB. Let's go and check my ELB. I mean, load balancer. So I have selected all subnets availability zones, right? Except 1D. Clear or not? My instance running 1D. So except 1D, you are giving all the availability zones. How your load balancer will communicate? We are already informed to load balancer. Hey, load balancer, you listen my words. First of all, my instance already running in 1D. Except 1D, you can send a traffic. Yes, except 1D, you can send a traffic. Okay. So if you can come with the network mapping, 1E, 1C, 1F, 1A, 1B. Only 1D missing. Your load balancer sends the traffic to all availability zones except 1D. Clear? Okay, let's change it now. So in the ALB, in the network mapping, edit subnets, I will add 1D also. Is it clear? Now save the changes. Now my ELBs communicate to target group. My target group inside instances are there. It will verify. My ELB will checking. Is there any servers in 1A? No. 1B? No. 1C? No. 1E? No. 1F? No. Nothing is there. That's what we're giving error to client, customer. Nothing is there in your application. Okay. You are trying ELB. Okay. I take your request and redirect to server, but no server available in the availability zones. Clear or not? So now come and access application is coming, right? So I have added 1D also. Let me refresh. I have added 1D also. Is this clear? Any confusions here? Yeah. Here you are showing available regions from the AWS, but you can please share by creating VPC subnet. I'm not getting your question, first of all. Here you are showing the agents from AWS, but can you please share by creating VPC subnet as per the time? I mean, you are expecting again to show VPC creation and subnets. We have already done, right? We have already done, right? Sham, I think you missed my class. We have already done. After that, we have entered into this network. First part is we have explained theory and we have created VPC and we have created subnets and we have created routing tables and we added internet gateways, NAT gateways, and we have entered into the target group and we have added the application and we have configured the load balancer. The last 4 classes we explained same thing, right or not? Then I'm not understanding. Anyway, that is not a big task for me to create a VPC and subnet. Okay, guys. If you are clear, I will explain. No problem. No problem, Sham. I will take care of that. Anyway, so my load balancer is able to send a traffic to my instances, right? So let's go to your target groups. Let's go to your target groups. Let's refresh this one. It will take some time, guys. Update in the target group. Healthy. Okay. Two total targets, 2 healthy. 2 instances we have given in the target, right? 2 is done. Now, let's go to instances. I will stop any one instance. Okay. In real time, we will have ELBs, ALBs in the VPC subnets. In real time, we will have ALBs in the VPC subnet. Here also ALBs, VPC and subnet only, right? It is in Sham. It is in VPC subnet also. Okay, I will show you. Wait. Please give me 5 minutes time to me. Okay, guys, my instance is stopped, right? Only one instance is running. What would be the output here? Yes. Why? At least one instance is running. So it will serve the request to available instance. Is it clear now? So client always access load balancer. Maybe in this case, it will change one DNS name mapping. You need to understand this is DNS name something. So if one server made down, even client also don't know that. Right or not? We are not accessing directly instance. We are accessing ELB. For example, if you want to give EC2 instance access, we have to provide multiple instances IPs to them. Right or not? If one is not working, check with 2. 2 is not working, check with 3. In this case, if there is no load balancer, we have to provide list of IPs to client, mapping some different DNS names. If one is not working, go with two. Two is not working, go with three. Like that we have to provide. But if we have a load balancer, has to take care of everything, right? Clear or not? Yeah. Okay. So let me start again the stopped instance. Now again start. So same process, network load balancer also. But network load balancer, what you need to do? In the target group, you have to enable TCP. Okay. See, in the target group, create target group. Here you need to enable TCP. Let me show you anyway. Sorry, here. You need to enable TCP. So if you are on the network load balancer, you are able to see this target group. Network load balancer communicate based on the TCP protocol. Your target group also TCP. Both will communicate. You are unable to see. You are able to see your target group name here in the network load balancer. Okay. Where we will give custom website address means DNS na. You're okay. DNS, it will come. There is a Route 53 concept in the AWS. 53. In the Route 53, we need to map it, this ELB name and domain name. We have to create a first one domain name in the Route 53. That domain name you need to link with your Route 50 ELB URL. It will communicate your domain name. Okay. Rather than stopping, can we move out the connection of EC2 from ELB, take the EC2 out from the target group? Yes, we can do it. See, the finally, your ELB is going to communicate your target group. If you remove instance from the target group, it will communicate only one instance in the target group. If you remove two, indirectly you are stopping two instances or terminating two instances, or you're removing connection. That is completely your exercise if you are interested. Okay. So agenda is what? Agenda is what, guys? Here, it will be access your target group. At least one instance should be run here to provide access here. That's what. Is it clear, everyone? So again, the Sham is requested one question, right? So guys, here two things. If you can come my VPC, so here, okay. Here list of VPCs I have, right? Let me delete this one. Okay. Let me delete one VPC. Okay. No. Your batch, seniors. Okay. See, this is going to delete now. Okay. If you can see here, this is default VPCs. Okay. Let me change it name here. Default. What you need to do? If you go with default VPC, you can go with that. See, here topic is not for custom VPC. Your understanding is load balancer, right? And auto scaling. Finally, we have already created custom network, right? Finally, we have created custom network. In the custom VPCs, I have created two subnets. One is public, one is private. So you can add list of subnets, 2 or 3 here. Different availability zones. For example, 1A, 1B is running, right? You can create one more public subnet in 1B or 1C or 1D. You can give load balancer access to 1A, 1D for public. You can select everyone. Clear or not? Okay, let me show you here. So I'm going to create one more subnet, guys. So this is my custom VPC, right? So subnet 2. This is public I'm going to create. Now I can give different availability zones. At least I'm giving 1E. Whatever. It's not repeat. That's it only for public access. So here 10.0.1 or 3.0/24 created. Okay. So now I have two public subnets, but if you can see here, the list of subnets, this one is public or private. I have just created subnet only. How can you say it is public? What I need to do? I need to attach where? Hmm? Where should I add the subnet details? Subnet to access public. Hmm? How to give it? How to give internet access to the subnet? Internet gateway already there to my VPC, right? Route table. Okay, go to route table. Which route table it is? Public or private? Public route table. So my public route table internet is coming, right? What I need to do now? Subnet association. Edit subnet association. Select second one also. Save association. Is it clear? Now two public subnets are ready, right? So now my custom network, two public subnets are ready. In the custom network, if you are going to launch any instance, you can launch 1 or 2 or 3, your wish. From that instance, you can create a AMI, launch template, okay, and create a target group, create a ELB. Same process. If it's a default or custom, the difference now custom VPC created, custom two subnets are created, right? Let's go and create ALB now. Load balancer, create load balancer. For example, see this case, I'm selecting custom VPC. In the default section, already list of availability zones, list of subnets are already there created by AWS, right? Now I'm not selecting default VPC, I'm selecting custom VPC. In this case, see 1E also updated here. Just now I have created 1E, right? But where is 1C, 1D, 1F? There is no subnets 1C, 1D, 1F in the custom network. I have created 3 subnets. 2 is public, 1 is private. 2 public is mandatory to your ELB. Maybe your instance is running 1D, 1B. You can select 1B also. Okay. But you need to understand one point here. If I select 1B here, the selected subnet does not have a route to internet gateway. Is it clear? So what we are doing here, if you observe here, 2 public subnets I have created in my VPC. Clear? In the custom network. So this 2 is mandatory. If I give 1, it will not take. If it will see, if I'm going to create now, it will throw an error. Load balancer name is required. Okay. For example, create load balancer. See, at least 2 subnets must be specified. This is condition. So you need to select at least 2. Okay. So if I select 1B, also no problem. See, 1B, we are not giving load balancer access. 1A, 1D, 1A, 1E is fine, right? This you are selecting only, it's saying, hey, there is no routing here from the direct public. It is not a case to give routing public directly from your 1B instance, maybe. Is it clear now? Yeah. So like that, we can give and create it. So that is completely your network, what you have choose in that which availability zones, which something. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So clear load balancer concept. Anyone has any doubts now? If you are clear, we'll move to auto scaling. Yeah. Okay, Sham. Actually, if you go any organization, already everything is done. VPCs, the network, organization, everything already be ready with you. You have to do in further changes only. Okay. That's what we are not doing anything in the manual. We are doing in the Terraform. See, ready means your template is ready, not for your entire information. What actual information is not there here. Your template is ready. If you run the template, everything is going to create. That is the meaning here. We will delete there and create them again like lab. No, no. Okay, okay. See, this is just what I'm trying to say. No, just for we are doing everything by manual process, right? This entire process configured by Terraform. If I run Terraform script, everything is going to create. Everything is going to create. Okay, no need to do any single step by manual process. So when you can write this code if you have a knowledge on manual process. Is it clear? Without manual process, for example, this is step is what, guys? This step is what? Anyone? Subnet association. See, in your route table, we need to associate one subnet only. You are calling the existing subnet. This is a process to call. Second subnet, you can call one more subnet here. Third subnet, fourth subnet, you can add it here only. Terraform is very easy if you know manual process. If you don't know manual process, this is very, very difficult. That's what I'm keep on saying. Please practice manual first in detail. If you are compromised, you have to compromise here also. That's what. Okay. Yeah. I will show you how to write. Okay. We are not copying from anywhere. We are writing everything by manual only. This is very easy process. I will show you. I will take care. Don't worry. Okay. In Terraform, yeah. We are not no need to copy from anywhere, guys. We can write by our own way. Even 100-line script also. This is we are not copying from anywhere. We are writing by our own way. But it's very easy. I will take care. Don't worry. Harshi cop long ways and JSON also. HCL. Is Terraform only way to this? So many ways we have. But Terraform is the best. Terraform is a tool to only create infrastructure. We can do by using Ansible, but it's not recommended. Okay, Terraform we have, CloudFormation we have, so many things we have. But only popular one is Terraform. Terraform will support all type of clouds. Okay, not only AWS. If you know Terraform, you can you can do it Azure, GCP, other clouds also. Is it clear, everyone? Now let's go and jump to auto scaling. Okay. So auto scaling, we need to prepare first what? Launch template, right? Make it ready your launch template, right? Yeah. Okay. So create auto scaling group. Okay, let's guess in the load balancer. So after selecting everything, the main important thing is your instance running in which subnet you have to give it. Okay, that is the main thing. Maybe errors you will get in security also. So load balancer and your instances both are same security group. Clear? I mean same security group is nothing but rules should be same. See, I'm not saying same security group you can use here while creating load balancer. Rules means at least you should enable HTTP rule to communicate your load balancer from the public. Is it clear? Okay. Okay. Let's come to auto scaling group. See here, something newly they are updated. What is minimum size? What is scale out as needed? What is desired capacity? What is maximum size? Okay. Oh, no copy option. Okay. Anyway, what is minimum, guys? Minimum means, for example, if you give some set point for minimum, it will reach to minimum as per the set point. Maximum means if you give set point, right, as per the set point, if traffic will more, it will reach to max. This two is clear, minimum, maximum. Desired means, understand, desired means whenever you can create auto scaling group, if you give desired 2 or 3, it will create immediately 2. That is desired. It's not depends on any set point. Desired immediately. Once you auto scaling create, immediately create. Those are desired. Not depends on any set points. Minimum means depends on your set point. I mean, your CPU utilization is 70%. There is no load. It will reach to minimum. If it is at point 1 or 2 or 3, complete your wish. Maximum, if your load is more, it will reach to maximum set point. Clear? When anyone has any doubts, scale out as needed means how many instances you are going to increase. That is scale out. That's what I'm explaining now. Desired means no depends on any set point. If you configure auto scaling now, immediately desired if you are giving 2 instances is going to create. Minimum means if you create 2 instances, if you are giving the set point is CPU utilization set point is 60% or 70%. For example, there is no load, it will reach to minimum. Okay, minimum is dynamic nature, depends on the load. Maximum also dynamic nature, depends on the load. Desired, there is no dynamic nature. Once you configure auto scaling group, whatever instances you have given the number of instances in the desired, it will create. Okay, anyway, I will show you here. Okay, auto scaling group, create auto scaling group, give ASG. You can give it, no problem. You can give it, see, minimum, desired, you can give it same, no problem. Launch template, my launch template. Already we have done, right? See, version 1 or 2, you can select. Let me change it into 1. I have to do some changes, right? T2 nano. Next. So this step, no confusions, right? Launch template we have already prepared. Instance type requirement. Anyway, version 1 is nano. Okay, let me change to micro. Okay. Okay. Default VPC. Availability zones are. See, here the same process. In your VPC, if you are giving availability zones, see, define which availability zones and subnets you auto scaling group can use in this chosen VPC. So if you give all availability zones, it will take default action. Is it clear? Yeah. But VPC must and should same VPC. My VPC is in target group, my ELB are in some VPC, right? Your auto scaling also should be same VPC, not different VPC. So you can select all, no problem here. If you exclude one, your auto scaling will not create that instance in that specific 1D. Again, same process like ELB. So better add all. Okay. Next. See, load balancing. No load balancer attached to an existing load balancer, attached to a new load balancer. We have already load balancer, right? Attached to an existing load balancer, immediately it will ask that load balancer is served to which target group. Clear? If I select a target group here, means this target group already configure your ELB. Hey, auto scaling, you can create a new instance in any availability zones, but it should be in the same target group. That is the process, right? what we discuss, if instance is created by auto scaling in different target group, your ELB will not serve the request. Clear or not? Yeah. So leave it for all the steps at this time. No need to go in advanced level. See, these are the some set points, this something. Leave it for that. Desired capacity, see here. What is desired capacity? When ELB is created, sorry, auto scaling is created, immediately 2 is going to be created. What is minimum? Minimum means if there is no load, it has to reach minimum. What is maximum? If load is more means it has to reach to max 3. So these are excluded present running instances. Understand it. Present 2 or 1 is running, right? That is not included in this set points. Clear? Okay, here the point is coming. Target tracking policy. Here we need to pass the load. Average CPU utilization condition. Your target value 50, for example. I mean 50% load. 50% load if you can give means 50% load total. First instance 50, second instance 50, third instance 50. How many instances are there? Average 50% load. It's reached, go to add one instance. Clear? For example, I have a one instance running in my local. So my set point is 3. So my maximum set point is 3 and load is 50%. If the running instance reach 50% and enter into the 51%, immediately one more instance is going to create. That is auto scaling has to create. Like till how many instances is going to create? 3. If 3 instances are enter into the 50% load, 4th instance will not create. Your set point is maximum 3 only. Clear? So that's what monitoring system we have to configure. If 3 instances already created, we don't have any one more chance to create one more instance. Immediately we can come and add 3 to 6 something. Again, we have a 3 instances buffer. Like that we can manage. Clear? So we have an option. So it doesn't mean you can create 30 instances. It's a free of cost, right? Can I try 30? Why? If 2 or 3 or 30, process is same, right? So please don't do that. Your free time may expire tomorrow. Okay. Anyway, see guys, CPU utilization 50%. For example, 50%. Is it possible to reach 50%? Now? Anyone is accessing my website, my famous website? No, right? Then how it is reached to 50%? Anyway, let's try first. Let's try. Yeah. So next, all next, these are template only. So here the things what we pass. Only launch template configurations, your subnet availability zones, and target tracking policy set points. See, my auto scaling, if you can see, desired capacity is 2, minimum is 1, 3, maximum is 3. Now, immediately, how many instances are going to create? 2, right? Let's go and check. See, 1, 2. Clear? Initializing mode. 1. Why 2? Desired is 2. Whenever auto scaling create, immediately 2 instances is going to create. Then we can calculate now max or minimum. Is it clear? Yeah. So this is my load balancer, right? My load balancer is configured to target group. In the target group, instance is going to create now. Now, if you increase the traffic means your load balancer send traffic to all instances, not only 2, right? Right or not? It serves the traffic to 4 instances, not 2 now. Why there is no name for EC2 servers? We can add names also, no problem. In the launch template, I have added any tags, right? So in the launch template, if we can add tags, it will take from there only. Hmm. In your launch template, whatever subnets we have given, it is going to create. Yes. Is it clear, guys? See, in my target group now 4. So already this target group, my ALB is configured. Now clear the concept? See, I haven't configured any instance manually now. That is taking care of auto scaling. That is taking care of a launch template. That is taking care of your AMI. That is taking care of your instance. Is it clear? Okay. Now I have, when will the minimum of 1 will achieve? When? If there is no traffic, right? If there is no traffic, definitely it will reach to 1. The reason, again, my famous website, no one is accessing, right? So it is reached to 1 only. If you have a patience, it is reached to 1. When it is going to reach max? If the load is there, right? Okay, what I can do, okay, let's refresh this first. Okay, let's go to here. Edit, automatic scaling, target tracking policy, actions, edit. It is a 50, right? I will change to 0.2. Okay. So instance warm up, whatever time it's taking to create, that is a warm up. If you can minimum, it will create immediately maybe. So 0.2 target value. See, my load is, my set point is now 0.2 only. So at this time, my instances are running. How many instances are running now? 4 na. 2 is manual. Okay, let me change. These are ASG 1. This is ASG 2. Is it clear? So as of now, desired set point is working. But if my load is increased beyond 0.2%, it is going to add one more instance or one more instance. Okay. Yeah. My website famous, definitely it will. So you guys need to famous my website. What you need to do, I will share this famous website to you. You need to hit continuously. Okay. Okay. Please make it famous. So then we can do it. So if you can go to my instance, guys, please hit it. Hit hard. Okay. Come here. If you can see my Flipkart, any instance running here, monitoring. If you can see the load, see 0.44 CPU load recorded, right? Right or not? But my set point is, so already my website is famous. Can't reachable. Is it reachable, right? Please try others. Site can't be reachable. Yes, na? HTTP error. We can, right? Close. Okay. Maybe the 2 persons are not agreed to famous this one. I think. Okay, no problem, guys. I can understand. So famous. Okay. Increase na. Please do it. One more is pending. Make it famous. Hey, famous only my website, not me. So it will increase to 3 set point only. No 4, no 5. So what I need to do, I need to change there to increase 1. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is the story about auto scaling. If I'm not doing anything, it will reach to 1. Okay, you can observe, it will reach to 1. So anyone has any questions? Why ASD is creating two more if the instances were already running technically, it will increase the cost. I can understand Raju, your pain, but set point is 0.25, right? Set point. To prove the lab here, I have given only 0.25 set point, but real time, we are not giving 0.25. We are giving 80% or 80. In that case, don't go to 100% also. That is also not good, right? You don't have any time to create one more instance to change the set points at least. So go for 80%. Okay. Guys, one question to everyone. If I put my set point is 75%, maximum is 3. Maximum is 3. So if 3 instances reach to 75%, is there an impact? We have a 25% buffer, guys. It will serve the traffic 76 also, 77 also. After reach your set point, it goes to 100. Clear? But we are giving 75% reason is we are just maintaining 25% buffer. Okay. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. So please practice it. Auto scaling also very important. At the start, at the start, when we created ASG, it created 2 instances when 2 instances were already running. Yes, 2 instances already running, that is for just for our practice only. I have shown in the manual process first. Otherwise you can delete here. You know one thing, I'm going to delete. See, for example, now 4 instances is running. Desired is how many desired? 2, right? Can I delete 3 instances? These 3. What would be the result? I have terminated. What would be the result? Is there an impact? One more instance is going to create immediately. Desired stage maintain 2, right? It's created one more instance. See. Wait for some time. So don't delete instance manually. Again, morning, if you can open the laptop, again, you can see 7 instances or 6 or 7 again. Clear? It will take some time. Maybe you can assume there is no load. It's maintaining 1 is a minimum. Right or not? Yeah. If the load is there, it will come. See, while creating auto scaling group desired, we have already created, but you have deleted. Desire will not come into the picture now. Now load is coming to the picture. See, minimum is maintaining keep on. If you are not increasing the load, right? So minimum is maintaining 1. If you increase the load, again, it will increase to 1, again 1, again 1 till 3. Yeah. Okay. If you have any questions, you can ask me meanwhile. What if any DDoS attack? Please, yeah, don't add any DDoS something attacks. Other people may confuse, okay? There is a DDoS attack. And no time to spin up the servers, right? See, this is not real time. We are just, I'm showing you create auto scaling to using the load balance and auto scaling, right? This is not real time project, right? This is some part of the project. We have to configure so many things for security concerns. Okay, we have a web application firewalls, we have a security groups, we have a NACLs. Those are from to this provide security for this so many attacks, right? Can we see the logs for the request? Yes, you can see the logs for the request. You have to go in the CloudWatch, you can see it. Definitely, you guys finally forget DevOps. See, one more is created, right? Okay. So this is auto scaling concept, load balancer concept. launch template, EC2, whatever the things. If you are do the practice, I'm fine. No, sir, I'm very busy. Can I skip this? Yes, you can skip this also, no problem. But at the time of Kubernetes, may you will suffer. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So what I need to do first, I need to delete auto scaling group first, not instances. If your instance delete means it automatically create. So I need to delete auto scaling group first. Clear? And then maybe see all the listener rules are there. So what I need to do? Delete load balancer first. Whatever steps you have created, you just go to descending order only. Okay. Now delete to target group. Done. That's it. Instance automatically will delete after some time. See, terminated already one. This one also terminates. Clear, guys? This is the topic. If today concept is done, could you show again yesterday? Okay, I will show the app. App hosting, we have to do so many things. Our regular practice, we are going to add so many apps. Okay, this is not, that is not a big deal for us. Mm. That is web server, same HTTP server like. See, terminated everything. Okay, tell me. See, we have so many web servers in the market. We can use anyone, no problem. Okay. Application servers, as per your request, we can use. That's it all. Okay, guys. Anyone has any questions? Please discuss your questions in the team itself. Once again, I'm saying, point out to team. Hey, team, can you help me on this? That is best practice to you and your team. If you're not sharing your content to team, same others also doing same thing. Finally, the chart, whatever group is always silence. That is not at all good. Anyway, it's completely your wish. I'm not asking you to ask many questions, but better if you discuss the things with the others. Clear, guys? This is so tomorrow I'm going to start IAM. Okay, IAM or S3. After 4 days, we can jump to Linux. Then we can start our Git Terraform. Okay. So please discuss your queries with the others in the group itself instead of asking one-to-one. Okay, guys. If you're okay, please give CC so that we can close the session for today. Don't think much, guys. This is just for your base. Do I need to provide everything? Don't think much. Non-it is. Okay. Okay, all CCs, then good. Bye, guys. See you.